Right. Here's a random photo I found on the internet. Um, we're gonna be working in the Photoshop beta. That's the white button, not the blue button. It's the most recent one as December 25th, Christmas 2024. One of the things I noticed actually, hold on. You choose the object selection tool here. You may notice this rotating like so. Let's give that just a moment. And you may notice that over here it says select people. It's only one person here, entire person. Or you can actually select specific individual parts.
Alexa, 93.9. 93.9 Live FM from Apple Radio.
That being the case, let's go ahead and select the head. So now we have a selection. Actually going to select the map. Generally, let's choose refine here. And we'll go over here, we make sure the refined edge brush is selected. And we go and get away with a little bit more. Just drag across the edges, clean it off a little bit. I also want to go to decontaminate color and play with that to see what results you get. And once you're generally satisfied, go ahead and click new layer with me. Go to our layers and actually reveal that one. So you can actually get a look at what we're trying to do here. Let's go ahead and choose color back. We're gonna make her a blonde. Let's turn yellows. And let's actually turn the magenta up a little bit. Try to get over gold. Uh, make this a bit easier actually. So hold control and select the mask. Once again, same idea. Now we have individual edit points. Control, click mouse. Let's go to here in saturation. Turn the saturation down a bit. Maybe the lightness up some. Control, select mask. Choose brightness and contrast. This layer selected. Get this layer selected. Group. We have a comparison right now to go with. Actually drag this part out. Like the group, let's just lower our fill a little bit. Or maybe even our opacity. Still this is slightly. I get something maybe a little bit more natural looking. Maybe even go ahead and add a little bit more to it. Or play with them some more. Let's see what we're doing here. Adjustment layer. What is this? I don't want that one. Thought we were brightness and contrast. Well, overall, I feel this looks pretty damn natural. You can see how useful that is, being able to select people on just specific parts. And that's pretty cool to me. And it does make things a bit easier. Honestly, a long time ago, doing it the old way without these specific tools. The AI tools, it took more time. We could do them, but the AI definitely helps make things a bit faster. And let's go ahead for have a look at. Actually, I want to play with the saturation a little bit more. I'd probably play with this for a long time, and maybe we're making changes or adding anything. You always want it to look as natural as possible. Want to change color entirely? Let's go ahead. And I'd say that I'm satisfied. So there you have it. Now you know how to use the object selection tool in the current Photoshop beta. Select and change it if you decide to do so. But you can see how to do so. As you can see, you can also just sort of drag over the area rather than play with them in here. You can even do the same here. Oh. Oops. You can see it selected some other. Let's go ahead and get rid of those. Do it again. I have to go back to clear that portion of. I don't really like much is working on this. It's gonna take more work like the hair did. Sorry, I was having a little fun there. Anyway, okay, let's do one more. Um, just a last. I'm having trouble getting the red I want, which is okay. Instead, what we can do is make a new layer, brush that selection, white. Make a new layer. Brush that selection. Ethra. No, it doesn't look like mine. That's okay though. I also use color here, but for deeper color, you would go to overlay. And if you feel like that's too much, you could just lower the fill. Or even the opacity. Sorry, I know I took up a lot of your time just playing around a bit when I was just going to talk about the object selection tool. I actually have a lot of fun buying your Photoshop and Illustrator, so I tend to get carried away at times. I do apologize. So adios all and have a good one.